Hi everyone, welcome to this video. This is still Emmanuel Onyewuchi. So in this video, I'm going to be walking you through on how to install and set up your WhatsApp business. Okay, so as you can see here, I already have the personal WhatsApp installed, but what I'm going to be using, which is specific for business purpose, is the WhatsApp business app. So I don't have it installed, so I'm going to go to my app store here to install and set it up. So even though you're not on the even though it's not open, if you search with this tab here, just search for WhatsApp business. Okay, you're going to see the options here to it's going to be the first one to pop out. Just select on it and click on install. Okay, so like I said earlier, you can install both the WhatsApp personal and WhatsApp business. You can have the two WhatsApp running in one phone. Okay, so we'll allow it to download and install, and we'll continue with the setup process. Okay, so it's done installing, so I will just open it. So the setup is similar to normal personal WhatsApp. So we'll just go through the setup process. This is something, if you're already using personal WhatsApp, you can also do this. So I'll just click on agree and continue. So it's trying to detect phone number in my phone, which is for my personal phone number. I won't do this. So in this case, I recommend you get a number for your business. These days you hardly chat privately with people. Everybody is using their personal number for their business. Try to chat a friend or family member up, you'll be hearing welcome to so business name, how may I help you. This is because people are actually using their personal number for their business, which is not advisable. You know, a lot of people don't run their business with the mindset of probably what if I can sell it tomorrow. Okay, so it's always recommended that you get a personal number. Go and buy a SIM specific for your business and use it for that. Okay, don't contradict or conflict your business with your personal lives. So in this case, I'm going to use a different number for this business app, which is recommended. So I'm going to use a different number, and I'm going to provide the number. Okay, so this is going to be specific for my business, and it's not going to conflict with my personal messages and communications. So this is it. They are supposed to send a notifications for verification. I hope it comes through. So I will go to next. So this is just to confirm the number before you proceed. I think it's all good, so I will be expecting the notifications or SMS. Okay, so I have it here. So I'll provide it 520608. So just allow it, continue, allow it to send message and all that. Allow WhatsApp business to access your contact. This is going to use to get the list of people who have your number, who are also on WhatsApp and all that. Just allow business to access photo, allow all this, nothing bad about it. So it's going to look for backup, but if you're accessing this newly, you might actually not find this backup. I've actually set up this account before, but I don't have much communication in it. So normally this is actually how you restore your backup. I'll show you how to set up this once we are through. Well, let me just restore this, and quickly, the size are not too much communications here, but is necessary. So even though you lose your phone, if you back up, you'll be able to retrieve all your files without losing any. So that is why it's good. The first thing you do once you set up your WhatsApp is to back it up and set up how it's going to back up daily. So let's allow this backup to restore fully before we continue. It's already done. Now we'll just go to next. So these are basic setup. You can do this actually, provide your logo, provide your business name. So you can choose the niche your business is. I will leave it at education. This is where Lenver is categorized. So you can write about your business and all that. Location, if you have a physical address, you can provide it here. Okay, so this is just about your business. So I'll just go to next. These are simple setup. Just go through them. They are necessary. I will just say use it. It's not actually valid, but I'm going to change it later. It's talking about the address. So it's going to actually initialize the last setup and we are good to go. Okay, so these are some of the features you find in the WhatsApp Business Catalog. So this is where actually you create your product. The normal WhatsApp app or WhatsApp Business app allows you to list up to about 50 products of whatever you sell, and you can also redirect customers to external link outside the WhatsApp to check out on the product. So these are just the instructions here. You can offer better browsing experience by listing your product. You can also put price and all those stuff. You can get started on this now or you just ignore it. We'll come back to this later on. Okay, so let me say not now. So basically this is this is the WhatsApp Business and these are the interface. Okay, so this is just about the installation. So once you have your WhatsApp installed, and you are in the environment, the first thing you need to do is what I call the WhatsApp initial setup. So to do that, I'll go to this three dotted here. So I'll come to settings. Okay, let's go to the settings. So from the settings here, this is where you can find the business tools. On business tools is where you can set up your business information, your work hour, okay, all those stuff, email address, your valid email, your valid website, and if you have listed your products on if you have listed on product any of the product on the catalog, you'll be able to find them here. So these are all about business information, so take time to set it. This can be the name of your business. Not actually, I can actually change it to Lenver EduTech platform. Okay, so I can also change the mission, the new school online for the next bit of digital optimizer. So not to waste much time, I'll just skip through all this, but just to let you know that setting up these things are necessary for your WhatsApp business. So the next thing is the catalog, where you can now provide all the products you sell. You list them here, you put the products, you put the pricing, descriptions, just to help people understand about the product. So you can list all those stuff here and people can easily browse through your profile, assess the product you offer, and even make contacts on how to make payments, okay, with the catalog features. Okay, so another thing is the greeting message, away message, reuse frequent message. Now the greeting message, we have talked about this. You can send people once they once they contact you for the first time, message that you can send to them. And we'll look into this also. I'll also show you how you can automate some messages. So even though while people are replying, you can automate your messages, guide them on how to follow through your message sequence and get some of the information they might be asking for, especially when you are not available to reply to them. So you can customize this written message. If you turn it on here, you can customize the message to your own taste, whatever phrase you want to use this. We are going to come back to that. And also you can set who you want to send it to, everyone on your address book, or everyone except, or you can define some kind of people you want to send it to, everyone except, or only. You can set the kind of people you want to send these messages to. Basically that is it about the greeting message Away message, I will discard this for now. We are going to come back to this. Away message is whereby you are not available to reply to people. What message do you want to drop to those people so that they can know, or give them know that you are not leaving them unattended? Okay. Then the quick replies. The quick reply, as we have mentioned earlier, you can set up some messages or some messages that you use more frequently with a keyword. You can easily get them and send it to your customers without writing them fully. Let's say there is a series of messages you use to reply to your customer more often. So these are where you set them up here. Then label is used to organizing. Okay, I use it enough. You can use this to customize your customer list. Okay, have new customers, paying customers, pending customers, blacklist. You can even blacklist people if you have had issues with people who are not reliable and you don't want to deal with them. You want to be conscious dealing with them in the future. You can label them so that whenever you see the label on them, you know how to attend to them. This is very, very essential. If you also create a group, let's say you create a group for specific from some of your customers, you can use the label to identify them, whether they are potential customer, people who are making inquiry and are willing to buy. You can use this to label them. So you can create more labels from here, or you can edit current one here. So if you go here and say edit label, you can give it the name you want to, and also you can assign a color to it to be specific. Okay, so that is it about labeling. We are going to use that also as we progress. So just want to show you through all these features that makes this WhatsApp business more unique. So you have quick links and all that. Advertise on Facebook. So it also has a way you can integrate. Facebook owns this too, so you have a way to integrate with this platform that people can easily contact you and send you message directly to this WhatsApp. Now your link. Now this is the unique aspect of this WhatsApp business. With this unique link now, people can easily send you message from anywhere online. So once you are running ads on any online platform, you can simply use this link. It's attached to your phone number. There's a way to create this link also. I'm going to show you that. But with this link now, people can click to chat with you, and it makes building funnel. It makes building online funnel with WhatsApp very, very effective and easy and very cheap. Okay. So this is the unique link. You need to copy out and paste it somewhere. So whenever you are posting online and you want people to message you, you can use this. Okay, you can use this link to get people to contact you directly. Instead of having them to save your number, searching for you on WhatsApp before they reach you, they can simply click on this link and reach you directly. So that is for this link. Okay, so you can also customize the message. That people can automatically send to you once they click on this link. So you can leave it to something that is very unique to you. Okay, you can say, okay, hello, I'm interested in your product or whatever. So this is what people is going to send directly to you. From here now, you can now reply them. So they don't have to type anything. Just by clicking on that link, this message will pop out. They also click on send, and it's going to be sent to you. So these are the setup that these are the basic settings on this link. So basically, that is it about the features of this WhatsApp business. So once you are done with the business tools, another place I want you to go over to make some settings is the account. It's very, very essential. I want you to set up two-step verifications. This is actually what can help you prevent unauthorized access to your WhatsApp business. You hear people's account being hacked and all that. This is as a result of not having this two-step verification set up. It's an easy process. All you need to do is just to click on this and just enable it. Is a process. Is going to allow you to provide password. Is a security setting, so it's not actually revealing on my screen. But what happens here is that you're going to choose a six numbers that is specific for you. Once you select it, it's going to ask you to confirm it, and once that is done, your security will be set up, and that is done. So it's not showing because it's a security process. You don't have to see my own security pin, but in your own case, what you're going to be seeing is a screen where you have to provide a 6-digit number, which is a security passcode for yourself. Once you do that, you reconfirm it, and that is going to be set up, and you are good to go. So I'm going to cancel this right now. Okay, so that is it. So another thing again you have to set up once you launch your WhatsApp business account is on the chat backup. Backup is very, very important in case you lose your phone anytime, any day. How do you retrieve your contacts? How do you retrieve your data? Everything is when you use backup. Okay, so on the backup here, if you come to chat backup here, you'll be able to set up your backup. I'm already set it up, but if you don't have it, it's going to ask you to provide an email address where you want to back up your files. It's a simple process. Just provide an email address and it's going to authenticate. So another thing I want you to set up is how you want it. Okay, this is the email address I'm using. So another thing I want you to set up is how do you want it to be backed up. I recommend you use daily. Okay, so if you use weekly, you might actually back up on Monday and you lose your phone on Wednesday, and you have had useful relevant chats, messages, business transaction from Monday to Tuesday before you lose your phone. So you likely going to lose all those files. But if you use daily, every day is going to back up every transaction, every communication that's happened in your WhatsApp business. So I recommend you use daily. I also recommend that you don't use tap to back up, because most times you might not remember to do that. Okay, weekly, monthly are too far, so daily is the best options. Okay, so another thing again is to set up is to back up over Wi-Fi and cellular data. Cellular data means your data. So if you use Wi-Fi only, you might not be connected to Wi-Fi every day, and that might be a very restriction. Okay, and your backup will not occur. So use Wi-Fi or cellular data. So anytime you are connected to any of these data connection, your backup will occur. Okay, so these are the basic settings I wish you do once you launch your WhatsApp business. Now in subsequent videos we are going to be looking at how to organize your communications here. Also we'll look at how to set up auto reply, how to automate your communications on WhatsApp with the tools. So these are what you're going to be looking at. So to wrap up here, once you install your WhatsApp business, first of all, come to the settings here, go to settings here. Okay, then set up your business tools, set up your account by setting up your two-factor verification, two-step verification I mean. Then also set up your chat by backing it up to your Google Drive. Okay, so basically that is it on installing and setting up your WhatsApp business. So if you don't have it already installed, go over and install and make this basic setup, and I will see you in the next video.